Mutual fund scams are becoming increasingly common, trapping unsuspecting investors. These scams can take various forms, from Ponzi schemes to fake investment portfolios. It's crucial to be aware of these threats to protect your hard-earned money. Learning how to identify and avoid these scams is essential for every investor. The rise of digital platforms has unfortunately made it easier for scammers to reach potential victims. They often use sophisticated tactics to appear legitimate, making it challenging to distinguish them from genuine investment opportunities. This makes it even more important for investors to be vigilant and informed. Don't let attractive promises cloud your judgment. Always remember that if an investment opportunity sounds too good to be true, it probably is. High returns with little to no risk are a classic hallmark of a scam. It's essential to approach any investment opportunity with a healthy dose of skepticism. Do your research and seek professional advice if needed. Protecting your financial future requires proactive measures. By understanding the common tactics used by scammers, you can significantly reduce your risk of falling victim to their schemes. Remember, knowledge is your best defense in the world of investing. Stay informed and stay safe. Verifying the authenticity of a mutual fund is paramount before investing any money. This crucial step can protect you from fraudulent schemes disguised as legitimate investment opportunities. Never rely solely on marketing materials or promises of high returns. Always conduct thorough research to confirm the legitimacy of the fund. Check if the fund is registered with the Securities and Exchange Board of India, or SEBI. This is the regulatory body for the securities market in India and maintains a list of registered mutual funds. Verifying the fund's registration with SEBI is a straightforward process that can save you from significant financial losses. It's a simple yet powerful tool to protect your investments. Don't skip this crucial step, no matter how tempting the investment opportunity may seem. Remember, your financial security is your responsibility. Taking the time to verify authenticity is a small price to pay for peace of mind. Don't let scammers take advantage of your hard-earned money. Verify, verify, verify. SEBI's list of registered mutual funds is a valuable resource for investors. This comprehensive list provides detailed information about all legitimate mutual funds operating in India. It's a crucial tool for identifying and avoiding fraudulent schemes. Accessing the list is easy. Simply visit the SEBI website and navigate to the mutual fund section. The list is regularly updated, ensuring you have access to the most current information. Take advantage of this free resource to protect your investments. The list includes details such as the fund's name, registration number, asset management company, and contact information. This information allows you to verify the legitimacy of any mutual fund you are considering. Don't invest without consulting this essential resource. By using SEBI's list, you can make informed investment decisions and avoid falling prey to scams. It's a simple yet effective way to safeguard your financial future. Make it a habit to check this list before investing in any mutual fund. Unsolicited investment offers, whether through email, phone calls, or social media, should be treated with extreme caution. These offers often promise unrealistic returns and may be part of a scam. Never rush into investing based on an unsolicited offer. Always verify the legitimacy of the offer before making any commitments. Check if the company making the offer is registered with SEBI. If they are not registered, it's a clear red flag. Don't be swayed by high-pressure sales tactics. If you receive an unsolicited offer, take your time to research the company and the investment opportunity. Don't be afraid to ask questions and seek professional advice. If something feels off, trust your instincts. Remember, legitimate investment opportunities rarely come through unsolicited channels. Be wary of any offer that pressures you to invest quickly. Protect your finances by being skeptical and doing your due diligence. Section 5. Decoding the offer. A practical example. Let's consider an example. Suppose you receive an email promoting a guaranteed 20% return on a mutual fund investment. The email urges you to invest immediately to take advantage of this limited time offer. This should immediately raise red flags. First, check if the mutual fund is listed on SEBI's website. If it's not listed, it's likely a scam. Even if it is listed, investigate further. Contact the asset management company directly to verify the offer. Look for inconsistencies in the email. Does the email address match the official company domain? Are there grammatical errors or typos? These can be indicators of a fraudulent email. Never click on links or download attachments from unsolicited emails. These could contain malware that can compromise your computer and steal your personal information. Always be cautious when dealing with unsolicited investment offers. Section 6. Spotting red flags. Identifying scam tactics. High-pressure sales tactics are a common tactic used by scammers. They often create a sense of urgency, pressuring you to invest quickly before you have time to think it through. Don't fall for this tactic. Take your time and do your research. Guaranteed returns are another red flag. No legitimate investment can guarantee a specific return. Market fluctuations and other factors can impact investment performance. Be wary of any investment that promises guaranteed profits. Unsolicited offers, as discussed earlier, should always be treated with suspicion. Legitimate investment opportunities rarely come through unsolicited emails, phone calls, or social media messages. Always verify the source of the offer. Requests for personal information, such as your bank account details or social security number, should also raise red flags. Never share sensitive information with anyone you don't trust completely. Protect your personal data. Section 7. The power of due diligence. Due diligence is essential for avoiding investment scams. This involves thoroughly researching any investment opportunity before committing your money. Don't rely solely on the information provided by the seller. Check the company's background and track record. Look for reviews and testimonials from other investors. Research the investment itself and understand the risks involved. Knowledge is power. Don't be afraid to ask questions. If something is unclear, seek clarification. A legitimate investment company will be happy to answer your questions and provide you with the information you need. By conducting thorough due diligence, you can significantly reduce your risk of falling victim to a scam. It takes time and effort, but it's worth it to protect your financial future. Section 8. Claim your reward. Rs21,000 awaits. As a thank you for learning about investment safety, we're offering a fictional reward of Rs21,000. This is purely for illustrative purposes and highlights the value of financial education. While there's no actual monetary reward, the knowledge you gain is invaluable. This fictional reward represents the potential financial gains you can achieve by making informed investment decisions. By learning how to avoid scams, you protect your money and pave the way for future financial success. Think of this fictional reward as a symbol of the peace of mind that comes with financial security. By protecting yourself from scams, you can sleep soundly, knowing your investments are safe. While this particular reward is fictional, the real reward is the knowledge and skills you gain to protect your financial future. Continue learning and stay informed to make the most of your investments. Section 9. Free financial calculators, a WhatsApp away. We're also offering a fictional set of 10 free financial calculators via WhatsApp. This fictional offer is simply to illustrate the various tools and resources available to help you manage your finances. These fictional calculators represent the many helpful tools available online and through financial institutions. These tools can assist you with budgeting, investment planning, and other financial tasks. While these specific calculators are fictional, explore the resources available to you. Many banks and financial websites offer free financial calculators and tools. By utilizing these resources, you can gain a better understanding of your finances and make more informed decisions. Take advantage of the many tools available to you. Section 10. Protecting your investments, a continuous journey. Protecting your investments is an ongoing process. The financial landscape is constantly evolving, and new scams emerge regularly. Stay informed about the latest scams and investment trends. Continuously educate yourself about investment strategies and risk management. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to make sound investment decisions and avoid scams. Seek professional advice when needed. A financial advisor can provide personalized guidance and help you navigate the complexities of the investment world. By staying informed, seeking professional advice, and continuously learning, you can protect your investments and achieve your financial goals. Section 11. Conclusion: Empowering investors through knowledge. In conclusion, avoiding mutual fund scams requires vigilance, knowledge, and proactive measures. By verifying fund authenticity, utilizing resources like SEBI's list, and recognizing red flags, you can protect your hard-earned money. Remember, due diligence is your best defense. Thoroughly research any investment opportunity before committing your funds. Don't be swayed by high-pressure tactics or unrealistic promises. Stay informed about the latest scams and investment trends. Continuous learning is essential for navigating the ever-changing financial landscape. Empower yourself with knowledge and take control of your financial future. By being informed and proactive, you can avoid scams and achieve your investment goals.